Hey guys, so we got a 2019 Ford Edge. We're going to reset the oil change reminder light. We're going to want to go down here, turn on without touching the brake, just in the run position. We're going to go over here. We're going to just click OK so we can get back to our menu. So we're here, but we're going to go back and then we'll show you how to get into it. So let's say we're over in display mode. We're going to click the back button here. We're going to get into our settings. So we're going to go down to settings. We're going to go into vehicle by pressing the OK, and we're going to use our arrows. Then we're going to go up and down through our list. Up and down through our list. We're going to go to oil life reset. Push over. It says percent oil life is 13% right now. So it says hold OK to reset. So we're going to hit press and hold OK. It's going to say processing, and it goes percent oil life reset, 100%. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Hit that like button. Hit subscribe. We'll see you guys next time. And if this helped you out, feel free to leave us a super thanks. We'd much appreciated. Thanks.